In the world of resin 3D printing, light quality is everything. With light uniformity pushing past 90%, we've eliminated uneven exposure right at the source. Say goodbye to layer separation, warped models, and lost details. This perfectly even light brings your digital blueprints to life flawlessly. No matter how complex your design is, you get a perfect print on the very first try. To make sure every print comes out perfect, we've built a system that has your back. Our smart temperature control ignores the weather outside, keeping your resin in its absolute sweet spot. An active air purification system works silently in the background, keeping your workspace fresh and healthy. The rock-solid aluminum frame and large-capacity resin vat give you the ultimate stability for long, continuous prints. And with our easy, one-click release, popping off your finished model is incredibly satisfying. The HW High Precision Resin 3D Printer. It's more than just a tool, it's a creative partner you can completely trust.